Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin. Welcome to another episode of Munch with Munchkin. And today is Thanksgiving. So, as you can see, I'm kind of having a feast. So we're going to start off with the Hormel turkey breast with gravy. I'm going to move this out of my way so you guys can see everything a little bit better. Let's go with the Idahoan roasted garlic mashed potatoes, stovetop chicken flavor, jellied cranberry sauce by Ocean Spray, French style green beans, cream style sweet corn. Let's see. I guess technically this would be sort of a dessert. It's Grand's pumpkin spice rolls with pumpkin spice icing. Ugh. And then these two, they're the Welch's Welch's sparkling juice is, they call them limited edition mocktails. This one's mango Bellini, and then this one is sangria. So, hopefully these two are good. They sound good. And then final dessert is, use that to prop it up, is Edward's pumpkin cream pie. Again, limited edition. And this actually sounds pretty good, so I'm hopeful for that. So, because as you see, nothing is made. So this is going to be cut up in two segments. Me introducing the food, now me going to make the food. You're not going to see that part. So, see you guys soon. Bye for now. Hey, I'm back. So, cooked everything as you can see. Really hard to do when you only have one microwave and almost everything needs to be microwaved. So got my drinks already in these two cups. Which you kind of see. I only poured a cup each because I didn't know if I would like both of them. So I didn't want to waste the liquids. Trying to get these out of camera so they're not in the way. There we go. Okay, so you might be wondering why I'm not doing a full turkey, like a typical Thanksgiving. I'm the only person that's gonna be eating it, so I figured why not just get something simple and easy to cook for one person, and also to save some money because turkeys aren't that cheap. So, I don't typically eat turkey with gravy, so, I'm kind of hesitant on this, but not bad. Forgot to salt those. There you go. I haven't tried the mango Bellini. I think I like the peach Bellini more than the sangria. Probably one of the reasons I don't like the one is yes, it's great, but it has a very, very strong wine smell to it, and I don't like wine. I mean, not horrible, just I like the other one a little bit better. I have to really ask my mom how she does stovetop, because when I was a kid, it was always a little bit moist, had a lot more moisture in it. I don't know if she added more butter to it or more water to it to make it that way. Okay, try a little bit of the green beans. Might need a little bit more butter to, when I made this. You know, a lot of my friends and family always get on me about eating the sweet corn, but the cream corn, I don't know why, I just like it. I guess I like sweet corn. Hair keeps getting in my way. Okay, don't wait for that to cool down a little bit. Okay, so this is a Munch with. I guess I can, might as well talk a little bit of what I've been doing lately. Today I had an art exam where my class actually went to the local museum, did a little scavenger hunt for the exam, so that was pretty easy. I have to take an exam tomorrow for my other class. Oh my god, come up. There. Then, let's see. Been struggling a little bit with my exam, with my projects. So I have to work on that this weekend. It would be easier to eat the stovetop with a spoon. Okay, maybe not. If it was mushier, it would be easier to get. This is already runny. There we go. Ah. Yeah. Can't drink that one. I'll just drink more of the peach. Okay. There. Paper towel to wipe off my knife. Anything else? Let's try cutting that. Let's put it there. So, one of my favorite things about Thanksgiving is the cranberry sauce. I don't know why, but I always, there would be so much left for my family. Leftovers of the cranberry sauce. And I will end up eating the majority of it. But I don't like whole cranberries. Really full. I guess before that happens, we're gonna finish off the mashed potatoes and the trying to eat the roll. That forward. I'm gonna eat this without making a gigantic mess. Didn't mean to do that, but okay. Trying to tell if the actual roll itself tastes like pumpkin or if it's just its some roll too, or if it was just its frosting. I might like the roll better without its pumpkin spice frosting. It used to be a little too much. And a little bit more of my corn. Oh, I don't think I can eat anymore. Yeah, I know you're saying pie. Yes, I forgot about the pie. But I can always record it later and just attach it to the video. That way today's done, but it'll be later today. I'm way too full. I did not think I was gonna get that full that quickly. But also, I really need to get a clip for my hair. Oh, so, okay. I'll do my little verdicts on new stuff. Which isn't that many things. Okay, I think I can talk now. The sangria. It really tastes like wine to me. I mean, yes, again, grapes, wine, blah blah blah. I mean, I think they got what they were going for with the mocktail. But for me, I'm gonna have to say, I mean, they went with what, they got what they were going for. But for me, on taste, I don't like it. I guess I'm gonna have to rate it a 3 out of 10. I mean, based off of, my own taste buds. And also that comparing to the other one, it has to be lower. Lowish. I don't know what a Bellini tastes like, especially a peach one. But this was actually pretty good. It does get a little sweet after a while, and the peach kind of gets pretty strong in it. But I'm gonna have to rank it pretty high. I'm gonna probably notch off a couple points because, again, I don't know what a Bellini tastes like, so it's not a very fair verdict on that. Based off of wine, I know what wine tastes like because I've had sips of it before, and I don't care for it. But I'm gonna say maybe an 8 out of 10. The best I can do based on I don't know what the original product tastes like. It makes me want to get a peach Bellini now. Oh, oops. It's mango Bellini, sorry. I know there is a peach Bellini, but what I have is a mango. So again, mango kind of, I'm a dumbass. Yeah, it's apple, mango, and passion fruit, so there's no peach in here that I know of. If there it is, it's very, very light, and they don't qualify it. No, I don't see peach. But yeah, it's actually pretty good. I wouldn't mind trying Bellini at this point. So 8 out of 10. Okay, the roll. I guess they got what they were trying to go for, but do I think they executed it well? I'm not sure per se because the frosting gets pretty strong in its own flavor, so I don't know if the roll got what it was going for. I mean, I can try a little piece of the inside and see if I can get it. Ah, there we go. I don't think the roll got as much of the flavor. It smells like it, but I don't think it got too much of the flavor. So, might have to rate it like a 5 out of 10. Like, the frosting got it, but it's pretty strong. The roll has a little bit of it, but it's not strong enough. So yeah, 5 out of 10. I mean, I've had turkey before, but I never had the Hormel breast and microwave thing with gravy. I've had their chicken, and that was always pretty good. The turkey's not bad. It's pretty moist. It's not very dry. One thing that I always hated about turkey was it's very temperamental. It tends to turn out dry, but this is actually pretty moist. So I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. Even with the gravy. I actually like the gravy on this, and I don't like gravy, typically on my meats. So, they did an amazing job, in my opinion. The green beans I've had before, the sweet corn I've had before, the cranberry sauce I've had before, the mashed potatoes and the stovetop. It's just, the stovetop, the only problem I have is, I don't know how my mom makes it. It's the same brand. The same stovetop stuffing that she uses. I just don't know what she does to make it moist and creamy, I guess you can say. Well, not really creamy, just moist. She might add more water, might add more butter, or both, for all I know. I think overall this was a pretty good Thanksgiving dinner. It's just now I'm really full and tired. So, now after rating everything, I guess the only thing I have to say is, there might be a short hiatus for a little bit. I guess I can say kinda, because I have to do work on my projects and study for my final exams. And my projects are due December 1st and December 4th. Both of them being presentations, so I have to have time to practice. So for 1 to 3 weeks, probably gonna be 2 weeks instead of 1 or 3. I'm probably not gonna be recording videos. I might not be uploading videos. My camera person's gonna be helping me edit while I'm doing other work. So they're gonna be editing them and just saving them up. And then if we can get my Patreon up, we can start uploading them to Patreon to get that ball going. I might do, if I have time, because I don't think this is gonna be that hard to do, is if I'm eating during the day and I have time to come back into my office, we're going to record me eating, probably me not talking. I'll probably have my intro and my outro, like all my other videos. But it's probably not going to be me talking in the videos, and it's not going to be edited. You alright? Okay, that just sounds weird to me right now. And just we're going to shove them up as soon as we're done doing that part and saving them and stuff and just shoving them online. I guess I could technically call those Munchie extras or something like that. Munchie extras? I forgot what I was going to call those type of videos to begin with. Oh, my nose is so runny. But they're not going to be my typical videos. But those might take up the next couple weeks. But yeah, school's taking up a lot of my time right now. I was hoping I wasn't going to, but my one class just keeps bombarding me with more homework. And that's preventing me from doing my research, because once I'm done with my homework, done reading, I want to go sleep. So, and I'm a slow reader, which sucks. Usually takes me 2 to 3 days to read the chapters that he's given us. So, no, I don't think I want to burp that one out. That one's kind of stuck in my throat. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just school's getting in the way. And then during Christmas, I shouldn't really have any issues, except for there might be a couple days I can't record, but there's those days I could probably edit at the same time, visiting family and whatnot. So there's that. I mean, I'm not doing anything for my winter break, so other than probably doing this, working on the project I've been working on with a group, and I think it's about everything. I'm gonna hate having to deal with this stuff after this. I think the only thing we have to be able to save is probably the turkey, the green beans, and the cranberry sauce. I'll get it eventually. I don't have much of the corn left, so I'm probably just gonna pitch that. And the roll I didn't care for, so I might give it to camera person or just pitch it as well. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a day on this. At least for now. See if I can eat the pie later. I would like to. The pie actually sounds pretty good. I'm gonna have to shove it in the freezer for right now, because I don't know if there will be enough space in the fridge. Anyways, I hope you liked today's video. I am very tired now. I know turkey causes that, so yay. And wait. Now I'm forgetting what I said. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys later. Hopefully. Bye. And I'm back. So I had to wait for the pie to thaw, which I forgot to do while making the first parts of the video. So I had to wait like 2+ hours. So I decided to take a nap. So my hair's kind of deflated. I am tired. And good thing I took a nap, because my stomach was really bothering me since I ate too much. So now I should be able to eat this. So I have Edward's pumpkin cream pie. Never had it before. Let you guys see it. There we go. So I decided to try 2 pieces. Because again, don't want to upset my stomach too much, because then I can't record anything tomorrow. So let's go ahead and try this. I mean, you can really smell the nutmeg in this. Not bad. But the seasonings are pretty strong in it. know if I like it or not. I think it's not until the whipped cream part that's a little bit better, because the whipped cream kind of helps neutralize the seasonings and the pumpkin pie part. I at least finished the one piece. I don't think I can get to the second piece. It's pretty strong for me. And it's already bothering my stomach. And I don't think it's because I had food earlier. I think my stomach would have been upset. Regardless. If I had this alone. I do like the crust. The crust is pretty good. I don't know what the supposed to be the flavor of the crust. I think it's supposed to be slightly like have a gingerbread taste to it, but I don't think it's that strong. So I'm thinking which is probably good on their part. They probably diluted the gingerbread taste to it. If that's what it's supposed to taste like. Because the pie is so strong, if you have a very strong crust with it, it'd just be too much for most people. Yeah, I don't think I can have the second pie. I mean, I kind of want to, but at the same time, I think that would be a bad idea. Okay. Ugh. Come here. I'll just leave that off for now. Okay. I will definitely say this. The seasoning is pretty strong. God damn it, phone. Anyways. The nutmeg and the cinnamon in it and all the other seasonings is pretty strong. My eyes are actually tearing up a little bit. And I don't think that's just because I'm still tired. Now my nose is now runny. Okay. So, I think the concept is pretty good. It's probably one of the strongest pumpkin spice seasonings that I've tasted throughout this season so far. I think there is a ratio problem between the cream part of the pie and the pumpkin part. Because you can see that there's some white cream at the bottom, and then there's the pumpkin, and you have your whipped cream on top. I think if it was there was a little bit more of the cream on the bottom, and then the part that they have of the pumpkin about the same amount right here. Just add a little bit more cream, it might balance out a little bit better. Or just do cream, pumpkin, and then a full layer of cream on top. Kind of sandwich the pumpkin. It might have been just fine. for me, it's pretty strong. Other people might not be because, again, my taste buds are pretty sensitive to these kind of things. I don't know why, but the seasonings really got to me. Overall, I think the flavor's fine. I mean, I guess seasonings are part of the flavor, but I think what they were going for, actually, they got what they wanted. It's just for some people it might be too strong. When I get it again, probably not whole pies, but if it's for myself. I was kind of hoping that they had, singles at the store, when I went to get this, and they didn't, so that kind of sucked. So I'm hoping to shove this onto other people in my house, so, it gets eaten up. Because I'm probably only gonna have one more slice of this before it goes away. So I think that's pretty much it. I can't think of anything else to say about it. It's like this little section right here in the front is like danger zone for me because it's just way too much. There's not much of a cream bottom either, right there. Then it does make me want to try the strawberry cream pie that they have. Maybe get that soon and try that one out. Sounds like I think that's another one that doesn't have its own singles. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Do that later on with the strawberry one if I can buy it eventually. Now, rating-wise, let's see. I might have to give it an 8. And I was thinking 7, but that might be too low. I mean, they have the pumpkin flavor in it. The pumpkin spice flavoring. Yeah, it's pretty strong, but it's not weak. And that's why I've been kind of upset about throughout the majority of this little journey of pumpkin spice. Is a lot of times it's pretty weak. It doesn't really hold on its own. I don't think it's horrible. It's too strong for me, but I don't think it's horrible. I do think it needs a little bit more cream in it. That might help it. My nose. But yeah, I think I'll go with an 8. 8 out of 10. I probably won't buy it again, but that's mainly because I don't want to waste food, per se. If they had singles, I would buy them. But I can't seem to find singles of these. I really wish that they make singles for their limited editions, because some people just want to buy a small thing of it to try out, instead of buying the whole giant pie. I'd be more apt to do that with some of these pies, if they had the singles, try it out, and then go spend the money and the resources to buy the bigger pack. I'm rambling now. I'm just so tired. So, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this whole video. Took 3 cuts, but 2 cuts. Technically, in between 2 cuts. 3 segments, 2 cuts. Okay. Again, still waking up. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video, and I hope to see you guys soonish. Give or take 2 weeks maybe. So byes.
Hey, guys.
Thanks for joining me for my Thanksgiving feast. I'm so full of food. I'm really surprised I managed to eat so much, but I guess that's typical for Thanksgiving. What's truly amazing is that nearly everything was actually good, which has been rare lately. If you liked today's video, please click the like button, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'd be eternally thankful. I still have one more video that I forgot I did. Then I'll be back in a couple of weeks. So see you soon.
Bye, guys.